Hi, my name is Michaelis and this is Zagreb Open Green Park Layout Analysis video tutorial. In this video I will show you how to work with layout analysis simulation, including creating a layout, changing it, and viewing the results. To start working with layout analysis simulation, you need to click on its link under the new simulation title. On the first step, the brief information about the simulation is required. I'll write test 2. And in the description, I'll say video tutorial. And we can proceed by clicking next step button. At first, you need to add those zones that you would like in your simulation. And you can do that by clicking on add zone, choosing zone from a list and clicking on add. You can repeat it several times to add all the required zones. And then you can see zone toolboxes in the design toolbox. To draw an area to a map, you open particular zones toolbox, click on draw areas, and perform mouse clicks to draw an area. On left corner, press double click and type in area's name. Accept it and your first area has been drawn. You can edit the area by clicking on edit option, then click on the area that you would like to edit, and you can change its sides or corners by dragging the circles on them. In the activities toolbox, you can see all the facilities and activities you can drag on the area, and you can do that using your mouse. In here, object parameters field opens up, and you have to input all the information. Simply object's name, its code, and capacity, how many visitors will use this object in each hour. I will write 20 users for this bench, and how much money the maintenance will cost. I'll say about 100, and after how many visitors the maintenance will be needed. Let's say about 5,000 visitors. And you can add the object by clicking on the button below. Now I have added multiple objects to an area, and if you would like to move them, you click on Move Object option, and you can drag those objects around the area. If you want to edit some object, click on Edit Object option, then click on the object you would like to edit, and you can change its object parameters, or you can delete the object by clicking Delete button. Also, you can see Objects Report. Click on that option, then click on object which report you would like to see, and report window opens up. Here you can see occupancy and rejected visitors in each hour for whole day, and you can hover the mouse around to see the details, or you can click on More Info to see more information. Also, you can change weather and day of the week options. Lower on the page, you can see minimum distance conflicts that has been occurred. Here you can see that frisbee game and skating is too close. The minimum distance is 4,444 meters, but your distance at the beginning was 0 meters. You can also save the layout, and next time when you open simulation test 2, all this layout will be saved as created right now. You can also click on Get Information button to see all the results in tables and charts. First chart shows all the profile distribution in the park in its real number and in percentage from overall visitors. Profile time distribution shows how the user profile is distributed in each hour. For example, here you can see that user profile 1 is distributed all the 100% in the hour from 9 to 10. That means that all the visitors from this user profile will be in the park in this time. Park zones and areas is the table that shows the size of some particular area and in which zone it is located. Park objects is the table that shows objects, their location on the map, their corresponding facility or activity, and in which area and zone it is located. Contacts between autistic and non-autistic visitors show those both visitor type contacts. For example, in first row you can see that 6 visitors from autistic profile 101 is contacting with 94 visitors from all those non-autistic profiles. And the contact has been occurred on object swing set, performing activity swinging, in area for kids, and the zone sandbox. And it has happened on 11th hour, that means from 11 to 12 a.m.